Hi, this is Michelle. Another pose which is wonderful to do in the morning is called Half Lord of the Fishes pose. Or, I am so bad, so I have a southern accent. Ardha Matsyendrasana is the Sanskrit of this pose. So, facing you, if I had my legs crossed, lean on the right hand so that your right knee points forward. Bring your left foot on the other side of your right knee. So at any time that this is the pose for you, that's where you should stay. Bring your right hand to your left knee and let this left hip go down so you can bring your shoulders back and stack them over your hips. Left hand behind you and right arm over to the other side of your left leg. Right arm pushes down and you look over your shoulder. Half Lord of the Fishes pose. This is a wonderful pose for helping vitalize your organs. It helps with detoxification. It's a wonderful pose to do in the morning when you first wake up.